All right, Sean, thanks for coming in again today.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it. Here to follow up on our next part of maybe looking to sell our software to your company. Like I said, I hope everything's going good at work. How's the pandemic treating you? Is everything running normal, or are you at home?
Yeah, everything's getting up and running, but everything's still very slow like it was before. Still very slow, especially even now more so.
Okay, well, that's great. Not great that it's slow, but at least you're still working. I don't know, people lost their job. Um, we're still lucky enough to keep this thing going here and keep working. I want to spend a few minutes here diving into some more questions, kind of like what we did last week. Talk to you about this and what our software can do for your company. And then at the end, I plan on letting you ask me a few questions if you have anything you want to talk about, if you have any needs that I don't address here. But really, first, what has happened to make you look for a new customer service software?
I would say the overall speed of our software connecting with our
So it's reliability and speed issues.
programs. Yeah,
Do you think it provides a good customer service?
it provides good customer service.
And then last week, you talked to us about your decision makers on who can decide those on what software you use. Do you have feedback in that when they let you make that decision?
Yeah, they give us feedback from time to time.
Okay, so they listen to your feedback, and that pretty much drives their decision making, right?
Yes, they get sent to our ITs and so on and so forth.
So if we come to agreement today, software and how we can make your life better can be something that we can present to them.
Oh, yeah.
All right, and then what areas can software help in? Is it, on your phone calls, or is it text messages, or is it email based, computer apps? I mean, our software is flexible enough to help you in multiple different areas, not just phone calls and taking information, but if you want to send text messages, follow up messages. What areas can our software help that you don't think you do now?
I'd probably say nothing calls on the internet.
What about, do you personally connect with everybody on every call? Do you actually engage in learning their name and
Yes.
talking to them? Do you feel like you dive deep into learning who this person is and their needs?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. So you do already connect with people. Do you think you can connect with people more if we had better software or not?
Oh, absolutely.
All right. So what impact could a good customer service software have on your daily life? Do you think it would, having a good, reliable, great implementation into your service calls, do you think it would make your life better? Do you think you could excel better at your job having a better software?
Yes.
And then what are your expectations of a good customer service application? What do you expect out of it?
Something that's always reliable. Something that doesn't have any errors. Errors means trying to talk to the customers, feedback.
That's awesome. And that really leads me into my next question. If you had consistent problems with customer service application, would you continue to use it or not?
Me personally, I would not know.
And then what happens if we switch over to a new program, the program that I'm selling you today, and it's actually makes life a little bit worse? Is it going to be a problem, or are you just used to problem solving on the fly already?
It would be a problem if it didn't work.
All right. Well, I really want to show you this right here, this aid, and it says engage your customers, and everybody on the phone smiling. That's what my software wants to provide to you in Citibank. We want to make sure that you actually enjoy being at your job, but not only enjoy being at your job, but actually talking to people, not worried about filling out information. All of our software is, so edible to what you can ask and have them fill in the fields. I know you're live on the computer and on the phone at the same time. So my software here is what I imagine your life would be like. Happy, enjoying your time on the call, solving problems, and that's what I want my software to do for you. And then that's where I want to dial in a little bit more. And I said I appreciate your feedback on all the other questions. Do you have any questions that you want to talk to me about, my software and what I've implemented for you and your company?
Like, what's the pricing that you price with on that?
Pricing right now is $20,000 base program, and that provides everything on site for your company. And then we basically download everything on everybody's computer for you. We have an on-site cloud storage system that we can edit and 24/7 access to our customer service in case you have any problems at all, which we don't speculate you will, but we will have people available for you. So it's $20,000 for the base. We can get into more advanced models where if you have, right now we can have it where you guys can edit whatever you want by yourself, completely customizable for you and your IT department. But if you want to come to us, we can do that for, $1,000 a month where you send us what you want us to do and we'll edit it for you and then push it back to your computers. So that's where we're at on the pricing. And then do you have another question, did you say?
Do you have any experience with any other businesses taking phone calls with it before? Is it reliable, is what I'm saying?
Good question. Really, you will be our second company. Company right now is using it, hasn't had any issues other than them really just kind of training. Training is very short. It's pretty easy to understand what it does for you because basically you just ask the questions on your screen and it helps fill in those questions. Reliability of that, as long as you have power and your computer's working fine, our app should run smooth, pending that you have adequate internet connection. So we can help you solve any of those problems. We have great customer service, we have great deals with HP. If you need new computers, we can get you time warner cable deals if you need to do that. So everything that comes in reliability, we want to help you meet those needs. So if you're a business, if you don't feel like City is adequately enough doing a good job taking care of you now, we can definitely step in, go above and beyond with our software and with your company to help solve that. Besides that, I really look forward to your company having this. I mean, do you definitely think that's something you want to move forward with here in the future?
Yeah.
Great. Well, I will follow up with you after this meeting, and we'll set one more call, get the decision makers together, and we'll see what happens we can do on this.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.